Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Kevin's Live here in the Brody House. Today we're doing a lovely chicken burger with harissa, mayonnaise, and pickled cucumber. It's kind of coming into the summer. It feels really summery out there, so I thought it'd be a good idea. So the first thing we're going to do is we get our chicken breast and we literally cut it in half and separate it and put it between two pieces of parchment paper, like so, and just flatten it out. So the reason I do that is it'll cook really, really fast. So you actually cook this on a barbecue. As you can see here, we've got a griddle pan on the stove there, getting nice and hot, so, which is fine. We're going to put our chicken breast, so you can see it's fairly thin. Put a little bit of olive oil on it. Bit of salt, add a bit of pepper, again a little bit of pepper on this side, add a bit of salt, keep that one for later.
Can you prepare them in advance?
The chicken breast you can prepare in advance, and then it literally takes 2 minutes. So we have our burger bun here. A little bit of oil or a little bit of butter. Okay, and then to make our mayonnaise, so you have our mayonnaise here, one like that. We're going to put some harissa in there, which gives it a little bit of spice, all those Moroccan spices, and some olives. Just like that. It's super simple.
Can you add any other ingredients if you don't like olives?
Yeah, some chopped tomatoes would be nice to that. Oh, look at that. Chicken breast looks great. What we have here is we've got some pickled cucumbers. So these are the yellow cucumbers, but you can use the green ones. All it is that you just slice your cucumber really, really thin, and then you put that into a pot with some mustard seeds, just like a half teaspoon of mustard seeds, vinegar and sugar. And bring that to the boil and let it simmer for like 10-15 minutes. Let it cool down and put it in the jar, and it's just great. If you don't have the pickled cucumbers, you can actually use gherkins, which would be totally fine. So nicely toasted there. Put some of your mayonnaise then on both sides. We got some lettuce.
Would you chop the olives if you're not a fan too much of the whole olives?
You can chop it. I just kind of like it chunky. There's cucumber. You got your tomato here. That chicken breast is already cooked. Oh, look at that. The beautiful chicken burger with harissa, mayonnaise and olives. Oh, so good.